number system. So these are the questions. So question mark. Here we have to find what is the answer. So why I am telling these are eliminations of answers. So there are two ways. One is actual calculation. Another is by actual calculation by formula, conventional method. Another shortcut method. So actual conventional method. Conventional method. Another is shortcut. Shortcut means we already explained. Convert into the percentage like this. Third is elimination of answers. This order I am giving. This is easy. That is, we can say very easy. This is easy. Somewhat is modest or moderate. Like this we can say. So we have to attempt only this one. Then only we can. So like this. So here one question mark. Here we have to fill it as the answer. 79. These are the examples I am giving from the question paper only. So 172 squared. See, don't see the number and all, maybe a bigger one. Don't get it very panic. Okay. So like this. So they have given the answer 86, 89, 83, so 93. By seeing the number, don't get it panic, and so it's very difficult, don't think. But if you apply the logic or apply your mind, you can easily solve it. Okay? I will tell you how to do it. Okay friends, please carefully listen, and it's very easy to solve. The questions where we have to fill it up, this one. So we have to choose this 86, 89, 83, 93. Okay? So 79 is there. Let it be. First we will see right hand side, RHS. Okay, RHS is, simply I am writing, you need not write in the paper. Okay, simply you have to see by heart only. So what will be the 2 square, whatever it may be, any digit, last digit unit place will be 4. Okay, this is called unit place. Last digit will be 4 minus, here also last digit will be 4. Okay, this is minus 8203. Okay friends, so 4 minus 4 is 0, minus 3. I am writing only unit place. So last digit will be 7. Don't say minus 3. See, so some number will be there, this will be there, because last digit will be 7. Okay, so this is right hand side. So right hand side the answer should be 7. So like this, let it be any number. What will be here unit place? LHS. So anything square plus unit place only I am telling. It is 1. So 9 square is 1. So here you should be 6. Then only the answer will be coming 7. That is, whatever we are making square, that should be 6. So you see this one. 89. So 89 square is last digit 1. It is ruled out. So 83 last digit will be 9. So that is ruled out. Here 93, 9. So it is ruled out. Here 86, so only 6. So answer is 86. You see, if you calculate this one, it will take even, I fear it will take even more than half an hour. So we have to calculate 172 square plus 9. It is very difficult. By seeing this answer, elimination of answer, simply applying our logic, our mind, we are getting the answer 6. Maybe it takes 2 to 3 seconds, even lesser than. So these questions and all, you can practice in the home. So many questions, we are also supplying the question bank. We will supply the study material, and we will have an interaction, so that we will get the questions like this and we can get it solved. I definitely, I hope, some definitely like these questions, some minimum 2 or 3 questions like this. It will be coming in paper and you can get it easily also. Friends, another number system, another thing is very important. So ratio. So we already discussed A of B equal to B of A. Anything you can make it. Suppose like this A by B, like this A of B means A% of B equal to B% of A. Like this, whatever X is to Y, A is to B. These are the very simple example. Simple thing you have to know. These are the elementary class. So this will apply also. Like this. So many questions, something they will ask. Suppose on partnership firm, A and B invested some 5,000 or 2,000. B and C invested 2,000, 5,000. The same amount here also. So what is the A is to B is to C? Like this they will ask. So very simple example. So A is to B. Suppose in any other firm, their investment A is to B is 2 is to 3. In another, B is to C equal to 4 is to 5. They will ask, then what is A is to B is to C? Like this. So very simple. A, B, C. You write like this. 2, 3, here 4, 5. So cross multiplication 15. So 12. So 8. So the ratio is 8 is to 12 is to 15. So by seeing the question stuff, they will write so many words and so many twists also they will do it. If you want to find out A is to B is to C, simply you do it. By heart you can do it 8 is to 12 is to 15. So like this only ratio and proportions, everything they will ask. Okay, these are also another questions. It is repeatedly asking in all the exams.